प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Okay, I just one correction on the homework I sent the answers. The 18th is Ruddhi Sandhi, not Gunasandhi. It was a typo. It's a mistake. By mistake I put it as Gunasandhi. It is Ruddhi Sandhi.
Yes.
Thank you, Malleshwari, for bringing me to the.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
it is Vriddhi Sandhi. We saw it. We thought we'll discuss it.
Yeah. Anybody have any questions on the homework?
I do.
Who has?
Uma.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so on the number 7, I think you were discussing something in class, how to tell if it is, there are two situations where you have the, in Gunasandhi, you also have a plus ri, and then you also have it in Vriddhi Sandhi, a plus ri. How can you tell which one to take? Because I put the answer for one of them, the number 7, as I took it as Vriddhi Sandhi.
Well, let me pull it out 1 second. I can't remember what it was.
Yeah, sure. Number 7, you said it is Guna Sandhi, and I'm saying it is Vriddhi Sandhi. Because there are two situations you have. One is in Guna Sandhi, a plus r will give you ar. And then in Vriddhi Sandhi, you also have a plus only the short r gives you r. So which one should you take? I took the
7 is Raja plus Rishihi, Rajarshihi, right?
Correct.
The Rikara brings a Refa. So Rajarshihi is the Gunasandhi. That is, let me get to the 1 second.
Yes, please go. Because Raja is having ending with a plus r. I took that.
Yeah, Rajarshi.
A plus r becomes r in Vriddhi Sandhi.
I think we made the correction, Uma. I remember Shankar Garu, he said.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. That's why I'm asking him. Oh, I'm getting mixed. Oh, there it is.
Let me pull out that Gunasandhi 1 second.
Sure. So my doubt is, how do we take if it is a Guna or Riddhi? Because both.
See, this is the if there is any A or O, it is Gunasandhi. I or O, it is Vriddhi Sandhi. A or O is Gunasandhi. A plus E becomes A, or A plus U plus A plus U becomes O. So the Gunasandhi is AI, A and O, and Vriddhi Sandhi is I and O. There is no Vriddhi Sandhi with R.
Oh, I thought I saw that in the notes.
No.
There is no.
See, if you see the, let me get the stuff here.
Vriddhi, okay, I'll show you in the notes. Okay, I have to reference myself.
See, Vriddhi is A, I, Our, and R are the Vriddhi Sandhis.
Correct.
Not
correct.
Not R.
Yes,
so,
yes, that's what I was saying.
Okay, now, let us see where that comes here.
See, we have a or a plus r, it gives you r. That's what I took for number 7.
See, if you take upa plus richati, uparchati, that is Vriddhi Sandhi.
But it is Raja plus Rishi. So
yeah,
it is
that is Gunasandhi.
No, but it is Raja A.
Ah.
Plus
R.
R.
R. That's what I was saying. Raja is A plus R.
Raja
that-
plus Rajas. Okay, so
A
I-
plus R.
okay, the 1 second. Let me get to that Gunasandhi, and then we will be able to.
I think we discussed last week about this.
Yeah.
Shankar Garu also, he referred his book too. Remember
Yeah,
this
right,
same
right.
thing? Same thing. I think we discussed already.
Ray only in Gunasandhi. No.
Yeah, that's see
That's the-
A plus R. If you see here, A plus R is
Mhm.
R.
Mhm.
Now we did pull. I did discuss this one that Parchi. There is a Vriddhi Sandhi, but let me do one more review of that, and I'll get back to you on that.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
know, this is something we did discuss last class.
Yes. I remember this.
But I will definitely look at
See over
Upa
here,
plus
it's
Richati.
See on page 9. On page 9 in your notes, you have a slash R plus
Yeah.
R gives you R. You have that in the on page 9.
it's just
Under-
above the Upa plus Richati.
Yeah.
Just above
Exactly.
that.
See, Upa plus Richati, Uparchati, on the higher above that, A plus R is R. Yes, I
Mhm.
have given that, but there was some confusion last class. I will review that and get back to you. on that.
Okay. Thank you.
That one we will get back on that.
Mhm. The other one was on, if anybody else has a question, I don't know, but I do, I can wait.
I have a question. This is
Sure. Go ahead, Pinalji.
number 9.
Yes.
Parichayasya plus uddesha.
Yeah,
Parichayodesha or
Yasyo. I have Yasyo.
Parichayo Deshaha.
So they
What
Pari-
happened to that Sya there?
What happens to the Sa? Not
Yeah.
Ya, the Sa.
Paritayasya.
Parichayashod,
Parichayasya Uddeshaha.
yeah.
You see, let us do that. Parichayasya plus Uddeshaha Gunasandhi. The Parichayas plus Uddeshaha plus A plus Uddeshaha. A
Mhm.
plus U becomes see
Oh,
that yo includes that.
correct. But there is half Sa there. That you
Yeah,
have taken out.
yeah, right. There's another Sya.
Parichayasyo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
I somehow, let me bring the book 1 second. That's where I have to get it.
That was my question too, number 9.
Yeah, mine too. I wrote myself a note here.
And then I have one more after that. Two more actually, 18
Actually-
and 29.
Actually, it is there, but it's kind of mixed up with the halant from the line above it. So you can't see it clearly. The ra, that portion is attached to that year. So it looks like ow, but it's really parichayo and deshaha.
It's really it's not how can I say, it is not a Sandhi issue. It is, we are trying to find out where that Sa went basically.
Sa,
Right,
exactly.
Okay, so
Exactly.
I will I will review that. That is number
Okay.
what?
Okay,
Can I
next one.
Can I make a comment here,
Nine,
Ramakrishnaji?
okay. Yeah, go ahead.
I think this is the way I separated Parichayasya Sa with Ya, that's Jihva Mulika plus A plus U plus Deshaha. So A plus U is equal to O.
Mhm.
So that becomes a Parichayasho Deshaha.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
So
what
you're saying.
Yeah.
That's
what
a good
I-
Sandhi. That's very
Yeah,
simple and easy.
It's
Anama, we are telling him that the Sa is missing. That's all. Madhu.
Yeah, it might
Yeah.
be a typo.
it's a
That's a
it's
typo error, Uma.
yeah,
That's
it's
not
not
a
a
big deal.
it
That's a
is not a
typo.
Sandhi issue. Okay.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
It's not
typo.
a Sandhi issue.
No,
Sandhi,
that's fine. If it is, no, that's fine. If it's we don't know it's a typo. We are just learning. So that's
No,
why
that's fine.
every letter has to be
your
accounted for. So we're trying to figure it out, right?
your question is well taken. No problem with that. But I think that is the, let me get to that.
Okay, number 18 is Vriddhi. That also I found out. So you already acknowledged that.
Yeah.
Then number 90, number 29, if I may, something is missing in that.
Rame plus Ambike, it's a Purvarupa. It's a,
Ma chala gaya. Kahan gaya wo? Rame
no,
plus
Rame is there. Rame
Huh?
Ambike.
Ambike. So it should be Rame Ambike, no?
Rame.
No,
Okay.
there is only one A in Sanskrit. There is not two A's.
No, Ma has gone. Ma is not there. Where the
No, there is
ma?
Rame plus Ambike. Rame Ambike. There is a,
The Ambike doesn't have the ma.
yeah.
Ambike part doesn't have ma.
Ma, that's what I'm saying. Will go.
Oh,
Will go.
I
That's
see.
fine.
I see what you mean. That there's a ma missing here.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right, that's
Mahoday.
you know that
That's-
I do a lot of typos now, right?
No problem. We are only learning, so we are just trying to nitpick everything. And make
There is a ma they're missing there.
Okay, then I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Yes, then my is done.
See, when I code them, the software I have, sometimes if I miss the one, see, another thing happens with that software is if I do a capital S instead capital M instead of a lowercase m, it throws it away. Okay, all right, that's good. I'm glad you have reviewed it carefully and
Yes.
for every character. That's good.
Yes. And Mahoday, I sent an email for last week's homework. There were a couple of them that had questions. If you have a moment later, you can please.
I did respond to you, right?
No, I didn't get any reply.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
All right, we'll look into that.
Okay, sure.
Okay, all right. So with that, we'll move on to the next one. That would be the
Video.
Vyanjana Sandhis will move on to, okay? Okay, now I
Mute
have,
my audio. Unmute share.
Unmute. Are we doing Pararupa Sandhi, Mahodaya?
we will do that at the end. We will do that afterwards.
Oh, okay.
It's not a important one at least, and we'll do that at the end.
Okay.
I do have it in my list.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, let's see here. How do I get this?
So I will do some Vyanjana
Zoom,
Sandhi.
This is Zoom meeting.
Nothing.
I'm managing 1 second. I'm negotiating this.
Yes.
You are there.
Can everybody put you on mute, please?
Nothing.
Yeah, into this.
Giant Kumar Camel.
Hold on. I think
Hello?
I have an issue with this. Why is this not becoming? I will log on again. I think there's an issue here for me. All right.
Mute lo better, na?
Stop. Here it is. Okay. All right. Now I'll share the file that I need to stay. Okay. Can you see the screen here?
Yes.
Okay, for the Vyanjana Sandhis, let us review the sounds that come out of the our system, the vocal system here. The kavarga comes from the throat. Ka, ga, ga, nga. It comes all the way from the throat only, and nothing else is involved. And then the chavarga, it is coming from the tongue, and the tongue is behind the teeth. That is chavarga.
My volume is gone, Andy. I can't hear. I tried everything. Yeah, I did.
సారీ రామకృష్ణ గారు ఆయన నేను ఇచ్చాను చెప్పారు మా టీచరు ఆయన ఐ థింక్ హీస్ ఆన్లైన్.
Okay, all right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear, but I think
I guess I can't do anything.
he need to put on the mute. Sorry.
I don't know. I have something wrong with this.
Now, can you mute your system, your side? Sam, is it your name?
Hmm?
Can you mute your side?
Maybe I have to download again.
No, you are all right. All right. Don't just keep just listen. Okay. All right. So the tavarga where the roof, the sound comes from the touch of the tongue or the roof of the mouth. So ta ta da da na. When you say that, it comes from the sound is generated by touching the roof of the mouth. They are important for this particular exercise here. And then the fourth one is dentals. That is the tavarga, ta ta da da na. There is a interaction with the teeth. And then there is the fifth one, that is the pavarga, the labials. It is through the lips. Pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. So there is these four sounds that are being generated. Now we will look at the relationship between some of these. So if you see the kantavya or the kavarga, ka, ka, ga, ga, nga, there is what is called, there are 2 kinds. The ka and the ka are called the hard consonants, and the ga, ga, nga are the soft consonants. Similarly, so these 25, ka, ka, ga, to pa, pa, ba, ba, ma, these are called the vyanjanas, vargiyas. This is the kavarga, the chavarga, the tavarga, and the pavarga. The last one, fifth one, being the anunasika or the nasal. This is one thing to note here is the sha, sa, they coincide respectively with talavya, murdanya, and dantya, or the dental. So there is a relationship between the chavarga and the shavarga and the sha of the semivowels. There is a relationship between tavarga and the sha, like the shanmukha. When you say this sha is Shiva, this sha is shanmukha, where again the murdanya comes into picture. That is the roof of the mouth. So sha is more like cha. Like when you say cha, there is the tongue is behind the teeth, and so is for sha. Whereas sha, you reach up to the roof of the mouth. Dantya, that is ta, tha, da, tha, na, they have an association with the sakara, sa. So these, we will say, this is how the with chustva sandhi, cha, and sha are included. Chustva. And then this is called justva sandhi, and the sha and the ta are in pair there. And we will look at them, how they impact that. So there is these sandhis, Chutva Sandhi, Sha and the Cha come into picture. What are they? These two, we will discuss these 5, 6 of them when we go to the details. There's the Chutva Sandhi, Sha and the Ta, they are the Murdanyas. And then there is the Jastva Sandhi, Jash, Jab, etc. And then there's the Chattva Sandhi, Vargiya Vyanjanas come into play and their relationship. Chutva Sandhi we will look at in detail what Chutva Sandhi is. Chutva is what are they? Sh, ch, ch, j, j, n, or sha, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. These are the alphabets in play in Chutva Sandhi. The last letters of the para and the first letter of the last letter of the purva and the first letter of the para, when they have some combination of sha and cha, this Chutva Sandhi applies.
You know, maybe if you go through your laptop and go through your laptop.
Yes, so Chutva Sandhi, this is what Chutva Sandhi looks like. Now this table you don't have in your text that I sent you. This is an addition I have added today just to make it easier. I can send this to you next time. So what is the Chutva Sandhi Niyama? This Chutva Sandhi Niyama goes like this: Sakara and Tavarga meet with Shakara and Chavarga. Is Sakara and Tavarga, that is all ta, tha, da, dha, na, they meet with Shakara and Chavarga. So when the Sakara and this Sakara and the Tavarga, when they meet Shakara and Chavarga, then Sakara and Tavarga, this column is replaced by this column. That's all it says. When the Sakara and Tavarga meets with Shakara and Chavarga, Sakara and Tavarga are
Going through laptop. Go through laptop. Same thing.
are replaced by
Off
this
CC. Turn it off because you cannot have in both places. Come to the laptop.
So the example, the Shishus plus Shete, this S that is in Shishus combines with the Sha of the Shete, and then this Sa is replaced by Sha. That is what this means, this table here.
Again.
So Shishus plus Shete, Shishus Shete. I will show the details of this in the next page. Similarly, if the Takara or the Tavarga meets with Sha or Chavarga, so Ta and Cha are the meeting words here, are the meeting alphabets. Then the Ta becomes Cha. Marut plus Chalati. The Ta becomes Cha, so it becomes Marut plus Chalati, Marut Chalati. And another example with Tu and Sha, Mrut plus Shakatika is Mrut Shakatika. There is no example that we could really find for this. Ta and Cha, probably there is very few words, if at all they meet. So we'll not worry about that for now. They take again this example of the Tavarga Da is meeting with the Chavarga Ja. They are identical with respect to the soft or the hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kavarga, ka, ga, ga, na. and cha cha ja ja nya. Cha cha ja is the third one. Similarly, in the takara, ta ta da is the third one. So when the takara meets with chakara, then the takara becomes chakara. That is what this rule says here. So the da, when the da and the ja combine together, the da is replaced by ja. Suhrud plus jagama, and this da becomes replaced by this ja. Suhrud jagama it becomes. Now the same thing applies with respect to anunasikas also. If there is a meeting of the takara na and the chakara nya, nya, then this na is replaced by nya. So san plus jayaha, sanjayaha. So the rules are fairly simple, but you should keep track of what are we looking here. So when the Purvapada has a sakara or a tavarga ending, and the Parapada has a shakara and chavarga ending, then the Purvapada sa or the takara will get changed to sha or the chavarga. This is the chavarga line. So this is the tavarga line. So the tavarga gets converted into chavarga. Like here, ta becomes cha, ta becomes ja, tha becomes ja, and na becomes nya. So this is the sandhi rules for the chutva sandhi. We'll see some examples here, and I also have the same thing here. Let me reduce this size. That's why it is easier. So sakarasya shakara chavargabhyam yogo sakarasya shakaraha tavargasya shakara tavargabhyam yogo tavargasya kramat chavargaha adesho bhavati. This is the rule. Now, yoga means union. Sakara meets with shakara, and chavarga meets with chavarga. Then tavargasya shakara tavargabhyam yogo tavargasya kramat chavargaha. That's what this really basically, whenever there is a takara and a chakara coming together, then the takara gets changed to chakara. These are the examples that we discussed on the table. S plus sh or chavargaha, doesn't matter. When the sa meets with sha or a chavarga, the answer on the right side or the replacement adesha is sha. Shishus plus shete, shishus shete. The sa you replace by sha, shishus shete. Sa sthane sha. Manas plus chanchalam. For the sakara, you replace the shakara. Manas chanchalam. The chanchalam remains the same. There is no change in chanchalam. The adesha happens only on the Purvapada. So manas chanchalam. Ramas plus chatraha. Rama plus this becomes sh. Ramas chatraha. So these are some of the examples of the sakara with shakara or chavarga. Now the next one is tavarga plus shakara or chavarga. It's here you had only sa. Now we are looking at tavarga. The entire tatha dadhana is in play here. So then that becomes tavarga plus sha or chavarga. Whether it is sha or a chavarga, you have a chavarga ending adesha. For example, Bhagavat plus Shakti, Bhagava plus T plus Shakti. Bhagava Ch Shakti. Bhagavat Shakti. Bhagavat Shakti. Shakti. The T sthane Ch. Bhagavat Shakti. There is both Cha and the Shakara. Sat plus Chit. When you have Satchit, it becomes. The T becomes Cha. And the cha that were already there remains as cha, and then you get a double cha there, so it becomes Satchit Tasthane cha. Suhrit plus Jagama, we see saw this example. So instead of the da, you substitute the ja according to the formula, and then you got double ja here, Suhrit Jagama. There we say we looked at Sanjaya. Now we are looking at another one, Guninjaya. He Gunin plus Janatu. He Guni plus N plus Ja Anatu. Then for this N you substitute Nya, that is Chavarga Anunasika. So this becomes Gunin Janatu. So the rules are fairly simple. I will do this one and then revisit the rules once again, just in the table. So now if a Chavarga and a Tavarga are meeting, the Tavarga gets converted here into Chavarga. Yaj plus Naha, Ya plus J plus Naha. The J becomes remains there, and the na becomes nya. Sorry, the ja becomes nya. Varga plus tavarga is equal to varga. You see, it's yajnaha. Nustane nya. So in the place of ja, you get nya. That's what yajnaha. That's what it becomes. So this it's a little tough one. You see the next one here. Yach plus na is yach plus n plus a. And this n becomes, the nakara becomes Chavarga Anunasika. Yach plus n plus a. Yacha. This is difficult to say, but that's the way it has to be said. So they are visiting again here the rule. Chavarga plus Sha or Chavarga becomes Chavarga. We looked at the Sha. Now we are looking at the Sat Tavarga and Chavarga. You get Sat plus Chit. This Ta becomes Cha. This Cha remains the same. So this is Satchit. Similarly, Suhrit Jagama, Gunin Janatu, Gunin Janatu. This Chavarga and Tavarga is a little difficult to express. In the Chavarga you have Yajnaha, Yajnaha. So the Tavarga Na and the Chavarga Ja are meeting together here. Now the rule says if the Tavarga goes away and you have only Chavarga. So Ya, J plus Naha, and that Nas remains. I think I have a little issue here. Let me see. Yeah, it's now. So, Yaj plus Na, let's see here. Okay. ಉಮಾ ಉಮಾ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? One second. Well, you can see, I guess. See, I have a little issue, difficulty here. Chavarga plus Tavarga gives a Chavarga.
Right.
The edge plus Naha, the Tavarga Na. Edge, Naha, that's correct. Now, this Na is becoming Nya. Where is this Na coming?
I think it's just added there, Ashton.
This is not there really.
No. Because you replace the na with the.
Yeah, that's what I was, the struggle came to me. So that means I have just an extra Na.
Yes. Or you maybe wanted to show it more clearly.
Okay. All right. So this is only Yajna. Ashte. There's no Na. Nistane, that's what it comes.
See, there is a visarga. So it becomes yajnaha.
Yajnaha. Yeah, that visarga comes Yajnaha. Okay. All right. Yeah, I have a little error here. This Na doesn't exist, only the visarga exists. Yajnaha it becomes. This ja and this nya become nya. So this I have an extra Na here. This has to go away. I will correct this and reissue the text. I have got an error there.
Okay.
Similar, did you get it? Okay. Similarly, Yach plus Na, Yach Nu plus A, this Ch and Nya, Yachnya, that's what it is. So Yachnya is correct. And here I just have an extra Na that should go away. You fix that in your notes. So those are the Chutva Sandhi occurrences. Wherever, again, the rule is that when the Sa and Sha meet, you get Sha. This Sa becomes replaced by Sha. And when Tavarga meets Chavarga, the Tavarga becomes Chavarga. That's the only rule you need to understand. That's what here we are. When Sakara and Tavarga, the Sakara and the Tavarga meet with the Shakara and Chavarga, the Sakara and Tavarga are replaced by Shakara and Chavarga. Shakara and Chavarga. So that's the rule for the Chutva Sandhi. Now let's look at the Justva Sandhi. What it says, when Sakara and the letters of Tavarga, Sakara and the letters of Tavarga appear before Shakara and the Tavarga, then the Sa and Ta becomes a Sha and Sha and Ta. That's what it says. Sakara and Tavarga are replaced by Shakara and Tavarga. So basically, this, I can't get in the one place. I got so when Sa Sha meets with Sha, the Sa is replaced by Sha, Kanyas plus Shodasha. This Sa becomes Sha, this becomes Kanyas Shodasha. And there's an O here. Okay. Tu plus Tu, Brihat plus Tika, Brihat Tika. So this Ta becomes Ta, Brihat Tika. There is no example for when the Ta and the Ta meet. Again, when the and the Da meet, Patad plus damarukam, patat damarukam. This, whatever this takara is here, that becomes a dakara. Patat plus damarukam, patat damarukam. This I have a da shown here, but it can be a ta also. So patat plus damarukam, this ta becomes da according to this formula here. Patat damarukam. And there are no examples for the da and na. So really, there is whenever the takara and the takara meet, the takara goes away and the takara stays. Brihat plus tika, brihat tika. So now let's see some examples, additional examples here. Sa plus sha or tavarga is sha, we said. Balas plus shashtaha. Bala plus this sa becomes sha according to the formula shashtaha. Bala shashtaha. Shastane sha. Tavargas plus tadihi. Tavarga plus sh plus tadihi. Tavargashtadihi. Ashtadihi. That's how that. Dhanus plus tankaraha. This sa becomes sha. Dhanush tankaraha. This dhanush tankara is sounding the bow. So sa stane sha. That is one kind of shtutva sandhi. The second kind of shtutva sandhi is tavarga plus tavarga. Again, tavarga is replaced by tavarga. Brihat plus tika. Briha plus t plus tika. Brihat tika. Tastane ta. Tad plus damaruho. This is a good example. This da becomes da. This because this tavarga has to become the tavarga. The respective alphabets of the vargas is to be replaced. So ta plus d plus damaruho. Tad damaruho. So the tad plus damaruhu becomes tad damaruhu. It's now you are already you have to say da in the second parapada, so that da takes the form of da to make it simple to express the tad damaruhu. The third kind of shtutva sandhi is sha. When the sha, that is the shanmukha sha, meets that is the murdanya, meets the tavarga, then this sha becomes tavarga. Akrish plus taha, akrish plus this ta becomes ta, ta, so akrishtaha, ta stane. See, now the change is happening in the parapada section here. So akrisht plus ta plus ha, akrishtaha. Ish plus taha, ishtaha. This is how the words get formed in Sanskrit. These are the root words. Ish is the root word, and when that meets with the ta, and there is meanings for all these things. So ish plus taha becomes ishtaha. The fourth kind of the shtutva sandhi is tavargaha plus tavargaha is equal to tavargaha. See here, we had said sha or tavarga and the tavarga. That is what we said in the sha and tavarga we had said. So that we are now seeing here. Sha plus tavargaha. Now this tavargaha plus tavarga, instead of sha, we look at what happens when tavarga comes with tavarga. The same thing happens. Tavarga is replaced by tavarga. So those are the shtutva sandhi examples. Then there is one more, just sandhi. Jashatva, jastva sandhi. What are the jash? Jab, gada, the third letter of the vargas. This is the third letter of the kavarga. This is the third letter of the chavarga. This is the third letter of the tavarga. This is the third letter of the Tavarga, and this is the third letter of the Pavarga. So these five, the middle column of the five Vargas, they are called the Jashas. So what's the rule here? When a Vargiya Vyanjanam means ka, ka, ga, ga, nga, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, ta, ta, da, da, na, ta, ta, da, da, na, pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. Except, he says, you should not include in this classification the Anunasikas or the Varga Panchama Akshara, nga, nya, na, na, ma. So you take only in this Jashtva Sandhi, you are looking at only the first four alphabets of each Varga. Kaka, Gaga, Chacha, Jaja, Tata, Dada, Tata, Dada, Papa, Baba. So only those 20 are taken. Is at the end of a word. When this ka, 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 cha, ta, ta, pa, they are at the end of the word, that is the Parapada word, followed by either a vowel or a soft consonant. Soft consonant is what? Gaga, jaja, dada, dada, baba. Those are the soft consonants. So when this kaka is followed by the soft consonant, or it could be a vowel also, then it is replaced by the third letter of the same Varga. The third letter is ga, ja, da, da, ba. Gajada da ba is the third letter of the five Vargas. The Purva Pada is Vargiya Vyanjanam, Kaka, Gaganga, and the Parapada is either a Swara or Mrudu Vyanjanam. Then the answer becomes, the Sandhi rule says, then the Purva Pada ending takes the form of the soft letter. Let us look at this. Dik plus Ambara, the Kakara is the Purva Pada ending, Vargiya, Kavargiya, Vyanjana, that is, and then that is meeting with Swara Ambara, A. So Dik plus Ambara becomes Digambara. Adesha is the soft letter, the third column of the Vyanjanas. So Dik plus Ambara, Digambara. Then Ach plus Antaha, this is the hard consonant Cha. Now the rule says it becomes the soft consonant. So that becomes the Ja, Ajanta. So the Cha is replaced by Ja. Now Shat Anana, this is the your hard consonant Ta, and that is meeting an vowel A. So the hard consonant Ta is changing to soft consonant Da. So Shat Anana, Shadanana. Jagat plus Guru, the Takara is to be replaced by the soft consonant Da. So Jagat Guru. Up plus Ja, up is the water, Ja is born in water. So up becomes Ab, and the Ja remains the same. So up plus Ja, Abja. That is how these five Jashtva Sandhi comes into picture. So now look at this. What are the Jashas? Vak. See, we looked here. Dik plus Ambaraha. Now look at here. Vak plus Ishaha. The Ka becomes Ga, so it becomes Vagishaha. So Vak plus Ishaha, Vagishaha. Same example, Ach plus Antaha, Ajantaha. Now Madhulit plus Asti, the Takara becomes the soft consonant Da, Madhulidasti. Jagat plus Ishaha, the Ta becomes Da, Jagad Ishaha. We had a different one here. Jagat Guru who we had. Now we have said here, Jagad Ishaha Jagadishaha. Sup plus Antam, the pa becomes ba Subantam. So these are the Jastva Sandhi that we are one combination of them. Now the second combination goes like this. Vargiya Vyanjanani. See, we are looking here only the examples of the vowel. Anta, Isha, Asti, like this. Now this Vargiya Vyanjanani plus Mrudu Vyanjana. What does it become? Vak plus Vyavaharaha. This is a Mrudu Vyanjana. Vag Vyavaharaha. The ka becomes ka. Vag Vyavaharaha. Again, Ach plus Varnaha. Ajvarnaha. The cha becomes ja. Madulit plus Dayate. Madulit Dayate. This ka becomes soft consonant da. So Madulit Dayate. Mahat plus Yashaha. The ta becomes da. Mahat Yashaha. It becomes Mahat Yashaha. Sup plus Vibhakti. Pa becomes the soft consonant ba. Sub Vibhakti. Sub Vibhakti. So that's the second kind of Jastva Sandhi. Now the third type of Jastva Sandhi, Vargiya Vyanjanani. Yes, Vak. So basically, Vak becomes Vag, Ach becomes Aj, Lit becomes Lid, Marut becomes Marud, and Kakub becomes Kakub. So that's the this is the Marudgana, Lidasti, Ajanta, Vagbana, Vag plus Bana. If you have Vagbana. The fourth kind is the sh becomes d. This is all again, they are all in that cerebral context. Sh plus da, shash plus bhyam. The sha becomes da, bhyam, shad bhyam. Shad bhyam means 6 of them. So shastane da. So those are the various, the 3 kinds of sandhis, chutva, jushtva, and jastva. Those are the sandhis that we look at. Let me just review them, and then we'll close for the day. That's what we were talking. Yeah. So just summarizing here, Chutva Sandhi. Chutva Sandhi comes into play when the Sakara and the Shakara meet, or the Tavarga and the Chavarga meet. So those are the 2 cases of Chutva Sandhi. Sa and Sha meet, or Takara and Tavarga and Chavarga meet. Then in each case, the Sa becomes replaced by Sha in the first case, and the Tavarga gets replaced by the Chavarga in the second case. So that is what we have here when Sakara and Tavarga meet with Shakara and Chavarga. The Sakara and Tavarga are replaced by Shakara and Chavarga. So Sanskrit, that statement, Sakarasya Shakara Chavargabhyam Yogo Sakarasya Shakaraha. Tavargasya Shakara Tavargabhyam Yogo Tavargasya Kramat Chavargaha Adesho Bhavati. So the focus here is on bringing in Chavarga. That is the basic message of this Chutva Sandhi. The Tavarga or the Sa becomes Shavarga, Chavarga or the Sha. Chavarga and the Sha are on the, they are both your labials. Sorry, the palatals. So your Dantavyas get replaced by the appellative. PowerPoint. I just use the same text. And the Shtutva Sandhi, Sakara, this is something similar to the Shtutva Sandhi, except that you are looking at a different Sha here. So the Sakara meets with the Shakara, that is the cerebral. Then you have Shaka, Sha sound coming in place of Sa. In the Shtutva Sandhi, Sa is replaced by Sha, that is the Shiva Sha, the lower Sha, or the Sha that is palatal. But in the case of Shtutva Sandhi, it is the cerebral. So when the Ta and the Ta Varga meet, the Ta is replaced by the Da comes into picture. Da plus Da becomes Da comes into picture like this. So these are the Sandhi rules for this Chutva and the Justva and Justva. Justva Sandhi replaces a hard consonant with a soft consonant. See, Nyamagananan Varjaitva, that is giving up the Anunasikas, Padante at the end of the words, Titanam, if present, Vargiya Vyanjananam, the Kaka Gaga, that's all. Sware, Mrudu Vyanjananinacha, if there is a meeting with the Swara, then Mrudu Vyanjana becomes the whole. Pare Tattadvargiya Tritiya Vyanjananam Adesho Bhavati. If you, instead of the Swara, if it is another Vyanjana, then you replace that with the soft Vyanjana of the same Varga. Avasane tu tattadvargiyam pratamam tatiyam vyanjananam adesho bhavati. So ultimately, that with respect to the each vargiya, the tritiya vyanjananam adesho bhavati, the soft consonant ga, ja, da, da, ba, they become the chain, they become the adesha. Shakarasyapi dakaro bhavati, avasani tu takare, takaro dakaro bhavati. When Shakara and becomes Dakara and Takara becomes Dakara. That's the rule of the Justva Sandhi. That's the explained here in the Purvapada is Vargiya Vyanjana except Nanama, Para Atava Mrudu Vyanjanam, Adesha is the soft consonant. So with this, we have covered these three let me stop share here. Let me see if you have any questions, so that way I will have before I take away the sharing. I know this is a tough one. So let me know if you have any questions. Is it clear?
Yeah, we are clear.
A lot of questions. It's very complicated.
It is complicated, but
one thing I noticed when you're reading, it automatically the tongue goes to the next.
Yeah, right. That's the
sometimes
whole.
Yeah, and also I attended one of the Suprabhatam by Yoma people. They say Dvitvam. It's called Dvitvam. The double letter comes.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what they say. The first Sandhi, Shtutva Sandhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you do the examples, it will become a little more clear. What I will do is there are a couple of errors here. I will fix that, and I will send this to you. I don't think I'll be able to do it today. So when I come back next Sunday, I will clean this up, and then I will send this text with these tables.
Yeah,
And
with the
then-
tables.
And then I will send also the homework. Once you do the homework, it will become very clear. It's you know, you can only say so much about these things. There is not much to say. It's just a hard replacement.
Abhyasa.
That's all you can do.
All you have to do.
This is more concrete, Mahodaya, but the Bhagavad Gita is not. That is all above.
That's easy for me to talk about Bhagavad Gita.
None of these.
This we have all rules, regulations we can understand, but the other part is just hard.
That's true. That's true. See, Bhagavad Gita is just like any other subject you take. The first time you read, you don't get all that you need to.
Yeah.
Take some repeated reading, and you will be there. If I am there, you can also be there.
I think Venkateswara Supravatam has a lot of sandhis, these sandhis.
Yeah.
I noticed because I attended the program. Some of the sandhis, you can come across.
All right. If you don't have any other this one, you take rest for 1 week. I will send the probably the Monday following, not this coming Monday. But the
Ramakrishna
Monday
garu, if you have an English translation, that would be more helpful.
English translation is here though.
Not for everything. Some of them doesn't have it.
Which
In the
one?
beginning we have it, but the last ones we don't have the English translation.
Okay, I thought I had English translation and everything, but I will.
Yeah,
I
most
think
of them
just
are
for sandhi
showing.
you don't have. I noticed.
The last.
Okay, I will include the English translation also.
Thank you.
I will include English translation.
Tables are good. So tables we will
Yeah,
get. Okay.
Yeah, thank my wife for that. She said this is the easiest way to teach with the tables.
Yeah, tables
Yeah,
are
very
better.
When
good.
we get the
Very good.
tables, it will be much easier.
Yeah.
So I will include the tables and send it to you, and then
Thank you.
you
Thank
should
you.
be
Yeah,
all
I
right.
just took snapshots with my camera. I didn't know you would give it to us. That is good.
No, I will give everything that I have to you. I don't. There's nothing to hide here.
No, I know. I know.
He wants us to learn, so he won't hide.
And I just added this today, so I didn't have
Mm.
time to send it to you.
Yeah.
And so this is.
Very good.
See, Uma was telling me this is all the third exam of the Sudha Bharati. The
Oh,
Janasandhis are the third exam. They are the junior level class.
Wow.
wow.
So it's so you are in freshman level, and then you are studying junior level. That's what.
You're getting AP courses.
Yeah, doing
As
it.
long, no, as long as we don't have to take an exam on this, we are okay. We are doing this for knowledge.
Yeah, the idea by the time you do the, as I said, we will do one of the stotras, and we will do about 40-50 verses in there, and you have plenty of sandhi.
Practice.
And this.
Yeah, practice.
You look at it, then you'll be able to, like now you say Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi, you can look at it and say, this is Guna Sandhi,
Yes.
Sandhi, that.
I have one question, Ramakrishna ji.
Go ahead.
On Avagraha, that you mentioned that it is but it is not pronounced. Are
Yes.
there any exceptions to that rule? Because in Lalita Sahasranamam, when I hear from the Sanskrit channel, he very specifically says in many places, he says the or
Yeah, I agree with you. Even in Veda, they say some places that is either I can say they have practiced it that way,
Yeah.
and they are repeating it. But it is not so much a technique. It's a what is issue there is, it's unnecessary saying the R, which slows down your reading.
But it changes the meaning, right? You have to drag the or there. If you
Yeah,
don't say that,
they-
it changes
right.
krama,
They-
akrama, completely opposite meaning.
I agree with that, but really, if you take most of the cases, that doesn't apply. Those are some special cases. Yes, it does. But try to not say the R.
Right.
I think that's the right way to do. And we all have learned it incorrectly, and we continue to, because it has become a
Do it
routine with us, we continue with that. That's how it happens.
Yeah.
Okay, so we should not say that. We
You
shouldn't.
should not say that. You should,
Okay, thank you.
the rule is you should not say that.
Thank
But
you.
we should not pause, right? You had to
You
continuously
should not pass. You should
should
not
not
pass.
pass.
Right. You should
You're
not
not
pass.
saying. If you
No,
pause, then you had to say ah.
Yeah.
That's what.
Exactly.
See, in some in Vishnu Sahasranama, Malankruta, Alankruta, there's one area. It becomes completely changes.
Yeah,
We pause
if you pause, it's like you're saying two words.
Mhm.
So that is, you should not pause. If you pause, then you break it, make it a non-sandhi, and say it as two words.
Towards.
There's nothing wrong in saying two words. Like even here, there's nothing wrong to say Brihatika, but it slows you down.
And also, I think the padas, the numbers, the count, the rhythm changes.
Exactly. Yes, it does.
Yeah, if
It
they
does.
4 in each pada, 4, and then rhythm changes, it doesn't sound good too.
Yeah, exactly.
Raga changes. Yeah.
Yes. Particularly if you are looking at Samveda and all, there it is very important that you keep the matras correctly.
Matras.
All right.
Coming.
Have a good week. And then I will. I'm not very happy with the class price. I think I should not have the couple of those errors I had.
Oh, it's
but,
okay.
Okay.
next time.
We are nitpicking because we are learning, that's all.
No, that's all right. Even for myself, I think there are two errors there. See, unless these are checked, proofread, you go over the same thing and you see the same thing, you see it is correct.
Right.
We'll take care of that. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Safe
Uma,
travel.
one quick question.
Have a
one
great
quick
trip
question.
tomorrow.
You said Pluta. Pluta. What is the Pluta in Vedic literature?
Pluta means there are three. There are the a. In Veda, it comes in Veda.
Okay. Yeah, you said in
Sana
Pluta.
bhavatu, like that it is a. If you say a, it is one matra.
Yes.
A is two matras. A is three matras.
Okay.
The
That is
time
Pluta.
taken, I think.
That is Pluta.
Time taken to say.
Okay, thank
In
you.
Taittiriya Upanishad, it comes like that. That is Pluta.
Mhm.
It has to be extended for three matras.
3 matras. Okay.
Okay. Sarve
Okay,
bhavantu
dhanyavada.
sukhinaः, sarve santu niramayaः, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat. Okay, we'll see you then.
Thank you,
Thank
Guruji.
you. Have a
Enjoy your
great
trip.
trip.
Bye-bye.
Have a
Bye-bye.
nice trip
Okay,
tomorrow.
Safe
Thank
travel.
you. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.